One student is joining, just wait for 1 minute. We'll start now.
Yes, sir.
My paper was simple, na?
Yes, sir. Paper was simple.
That means if we practice, then I don't think paper becomes difficult.
Yes, sir.
So since you are practiced a lot, paper should have been easier for you. एक छोटा सा सम कर देता हूँ. If P plus A upon V square into V minus P is R dash T, where P is pressure, V is volume, A, B are constant.
हेलो सर.
हाँ से.
अरे सर वो मैंने सुना नहीं क्योंकि वो ऑडियो कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ था.
कौन बोल रहे हैं यार, आप हमेशा डिस्टर्ब करते हो. आर्यन ना?
सर करण.
करण, हाँ. See, ये जो लिखा है वही है. If P plus A upon V square, V minus P is R dash P, where A, B are constants, then देखो इसका ही ना मैं रिकॉर्ड भी कर रहा हूँ, भेज दूंगा आपको, टेंशन मत लेना आप लोग.
अच्छा.
हाँ, क्योंकि बीच बीच में आप लेक्चर छोटा टाइम का है ना, खाली 115 मिनट लेट चालू हुआ, फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा ना, समझ नहीं पाएंगे आप. वापस बोलता, वापस एक मिनट फिर से समझ लो वापस. If P plus A upon V square, V minus V is R dash T, where A, B are constant, then obtain dimension of A and P. A and P. This means this equation is correct. Then obtain dimension of A and B. This is the condition. What is 3 meter plus 2 meter? 5 meter. 5 meter. What about 7 meter plus 2 centimeter?
7.2
0.02 meters.
Okay. Meter.
0.02. Perfect. 0.2. Yes. But if it is 7 meter plus 3 meter per second, definitely you can't add, na? Because one is length, other is speed or velocity. So whenever you are adding, remember it should be similar quantity, same quantity. So this P and this whole thing must be same, na? Then only you can add.
Yes.
Pressure I can add.
Yes.
Mass I can add.
Yes.
Velocity I can add.
Yes.
So whenever you see we are adding two terms, then it should be in your back of mind, they are same term. Can I say if equation is correct, then it's every term when you are adding, they are like term? Karan, you followed this now?
Yes.
Karan? Yes, Karan. Are you there? Karan, you are there? Your audio is connected or not?
Yes, connected.
Okay. ठीक है. तो सिंस एकदम सिंपल है, ये चैप्टर में खाली रूल्स चाहिए, दिमाग का कुछ काम नहीं. P plus A upon V square minus B is R dash T. So I can say therefore P का dimension must be A upon V square का dimension, then only we can add.
Yes.
ये लाइन समझ गया आपको?
हाँ.
तो A का dimension is P into V square का dimension.
हाँ
So I've attended the dimension वाला part. प्रेशर का डायमेंशन मतलब फोर्स अपॉन एरिया का डायमेंशन या नहीं बोलो.
हाँ
एंड V is volume. हाँ, कैन यू टेल
हाँ
मी फोर्स का डायमेंशन?
फोर
M1 L1 T minus 2.
-2
Area is L2
हम्म
and volume is L raised to 3. Its
हम्म
power is 2.
हम्म
So it is M1 L minus 1
हम्म
T minus 1 into L raised to 6. Okay,
हम्म हम्म
L raised to 6. So you
हम्म
will get M1 L minus 5 T minus 2. L plus 5 T minus 2. Any doubt in this?
नो
Please
No,
solve.
No,
First part, first part solve. कुछ डाउट है तो पूछते जाओ. अगर आप, हाँ, solve. That net connection is see neither in your hand nor in my hand. If you are not able to see, खाली थोड़ा देर तक चुपचाप रहना, अपने आप में 3-4 बार बोलने वाला हूँ.
हाँ
Right. First part I got A का dimension as M1 L5 T minus 2. Logic is terms added are like.
हम्म
Wait till this, then I explain. So I got A. Now B have to find.
हम्म
Rajvardhan followed what we am doing today.
यस
Swaraj, Sandesh,
yes, sir.
Aryan.
यस सर
Done.
Fine. I'm just clearing it out again. Full. Everybody has done ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक. एक पार्ट और बाकी है. Finding D. Also, V का dimension is same as B का dimension. Then only you can add and subtract. So B का dimension, V is volume. Volume is nothing but L raised to 2. Okay. A dimension we got, B also. Copy. Okay, I'm clearing now and then starting with new part. बैंक आपने किया है वो ऑर्डर ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड ही कर रहा हूँ ना.
Yes, sir.
और एग्जाम्स खत्म हो गए पूरे?
नहीं सर, कल लास्ट पेपर है कंप्यूटर साइंस का.
हो गया आपका प्रिपरेशन?
हाँ सर.
ठीक है, 10:30 शार्प में रुका दूंगा, टेंशन फिर से मत.
ओके सर, ओके सर.
ऑर्डर ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड. सी व्हेनेवर वी से ऑर्डर, तो कोई बोलता है ना 10 के आसपास में है, 100 के आसपास में, इसको ही ऑर्डर बोलते हैं. कोई पूछा रहे वजन कितना है, तो मैं बोलूंगा 500 के आसपास में, 100 के आसपास में है ना, तो दैट आसपास इज कॉल्ड ऑर्डर, बट इट इज नॉट एग्जैक्ट. सो Mayank, if you remember, I told your percentage, you told 91.2, correct?
यस सर.
तो I said कुछ सालों के बाद आप ये 0.2 भूल जाओगे, आप बोलोगे 91%.
यस सर, यस सर.
So generally we forget that small part. That means we round off and remember. Somebody got 92.69, he will remember 93. So less than 5 रहता है तो हम पहला वाला 2 डिजिट ले लेते हैं. अगर किसका वेट 112 है तो क्या बोलेगा, 100 किलो के आसपास है ना.
यस सर.
So we see what is order and rule. The value of a physical quantity rounded off to the nearest integral power of 10 is called as order of magnitude. So value of a physical quantity when you round off to the nearest integral power of 10. अभी कैसे राउंड ऑफ करेंगे मैं समझाता हूं, लेकिन मुझे 10 रेज टू 1, 10 रेज टू 2, 10 रेज टू -1 ऐसे पावर में राउंड ऑफ करना है. तो ये सब 10 का पावर टोटल को ऑर्डर ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड is called as order of magnitude. Please write the definition, then with example it will become more clear. Definition is the value of a physical quantity rounded off to the nearest integral power of 10 is called as magnitude. मैं कुछ ऐसा आया था क्या डेरिवेटिव इसमें लेना है, ऐसा कुछ
हाँ सर, एक क्वेश्चन आया था.
आया था, कर लिया ना आपने?
हाँ सर.
The value of physical quantity rounded off to the nearest integral power of 10 is called as order of magnitude.
सर तो फिर 112 का राउंडेड ऑफ वैल्यू 110 होएगा ना?
कौन बोल रहा है ये?
अनमोल.
अनमोल, आपको कितनी बार बोला है मैंने, आप पूरा सुनते नहीं हो लगता है ना. मैंने बोला ये लिख लो, फिर मैं एग्जाम्पल दूंगा जिससे आपको समझ में आए.
ओके सर.
देखो फिजिक्स आपको समझने के लिए थोड़ा सा पेशेंट रखना पड़ेगा. पेशेंटली लिसन, देन समझेगा.
यस सर.
एक बार एक टॉपिक खत्म हो गया फिर नहीं समझा तो आप मुझे 10 बार पूछो चलेगा. अभी तक हम वही टॉपिक कर रहे हैं ना.
यस सर.
So can I clear this definition part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just observe carefully the examples. Example. First. Now Anmol, you pay attention. A man weighs 112 kg. I want order of magnitude. Rule is please write only one digit before the decimal. So 1.12 into 100 कर दिया तो 112 होगा. Now order of magnitude is 10 raised to 2 kg. Before decimal वाला digit 5 से कम तो 10 raised to 2. 5 और 5 से ज्यादा तो +1 कर देना. फर्स्ट पार्ट समझा सबको?
सर एक बार वापस एक्सप्लेन करो ना वो 1.12 वाला पार्ट.
अपना रूल क्या है, डेसिमल के पहले एक डिजिट चाहिए. तो 112 को अगर मैं 1.12 लिखूं तो इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना ही पड़ेगा ना, देन ओनली इट विल बिकम 112.
ये
So that's why I wrote 10 raised to 2. So before decimal only one digit should come. Then ये पूरा 10 raised to 2 becomes our order of magnitude. Second one, mass of electron equals to 9.1 into 10 raised to -31 kg. I want its order of magnitude. So 9.1 into 10 raised to -31 kg has order of magnitude. No need to convert, पहले से ही वो converted है before decimal one digit. Is it more than 5?
Yes, sir.
So power में we will add 1. What is -31 plus 1?
-30.
So 10 raised to -30 kg is called order of magnitude. Understood now or still doubt?
अंडरस्टूड.
Okay, copy this to
Copied, sir.
Okay. Okay. Third example. Time period. I'm taking this example because this is given in textbook. First I'm doing that. Time period of Earth's rotation. खाली इतने ही दिया है. Find the order of magnitude of time period of Earth's rotation. So you should know Earth and in second बोला है. So we know Earth rotation का time period 24 hours होता है. That you can write as 24 into 3600 in second. That is 864.00 second. Before decimal, I want one digit. So this is 10 raised to 1234 second. Who has not followed this conversion first? Everybody has followed?
Yes, sir.
So order of magnitude will be 10 raised to 4. Before decimal wala digit more than 1. So plus 5. That means 10 plus 1. 10 raised to 5. Copy. This is how we'll find order of magnitude. 10 ka power with unit is order of magnitude.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Next, see. Acceleration due to gravity g is 9.8 meter per second square. Now g is 9.8 meter per second square, so it can be written as 10 raised to 0 because 10 raised to 0 is 1. Idea behind this is I want to convert in the form of 10 raised to. Now order of magnitude. Current, what will be order of magnitude now? Yes, current, what will be order of magnitude?
9.
Sir, 10 raised to power 1.
Correct. 0 plus 1 because this is more than 5. So 10 to the power 1 meter per second square. Sorry.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you explain that how we got 10 raised to 0?
Now who is asking? Tell your name also.
Sir, Rajvardhan Patil.
What is this?
Sir, 3.
Can I write 3 into 1?
Yes.
Can I write 10 raised to 0?
Yes, yes.
What is 10 raised to 0? 1 only.
Okay, sir.
Why we are doing this? So that 10 का power अपना order है ना?
हाँ, sir.
तो इधर कुछ नहीं है तो 10 raised to 0. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, well.
Sir, done.
अभी एक मस्त सम कराता हूँ. Find order of magnitude of 2 raised to 30. देखते किसको जमेगा. एकदम खतरनाक समय. 2 raised to 30. सितेश, आप खतरों के खिलाड़ी है. सितेश,
हाँ sir.
what is 2 raised to 1?
2 raised to 1, 2 only.
2 only. Very good. 2 raised to 2.
4.
2 raised to 3.
2 raised to 3, 6.
6?
Oh,
Eight.
sorry, sorry.
8.
8, 8.
2 raised to 4?
1 second. 2
हाँ,
raised to 4, 16.
16. ठीक है. 2 raised to 5.
2 raised to 5, 25.
25?
Other
32.
sir, yeah,
32. हाँ.
32.
Now, just listen now. Why I'm doing this? I'm interested in 10 का कितना पावर 2 raised to 30 होगा ना? Because 10 का जो भी पावर है वो अपना ऑर्डर ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड है. What do you say, राजवर्धन? बराबर ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So my only concern is, can I write this is in terms of 10 raised to or not? तो मुझे 2 raised to 5 पता है बचपन से 32 होता है. नंदिनी,
Yes, sir.
what will be better? 32 into 32 close to? Will it be 1000 के आसपास?
Yes, sir.
1024 है ना? मुझे इतना ही मालूम था तो इसका मल्टीपल सोचा. So it is 1024, correct?
Yes.
Now this you can arrange as 1000. 1.024 into 10 raised to 3. I can arrange ना? तो चलो अभी ये बेसिक आइडिया आ गया. So what I am writing, 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5 means we add the power. That means it is like 10 हो गया. बराबर? ऊपर 3 होगा तभी होगा ना ये 2 raised to 30. नहीं समझ में
Yes,
आया?
sir.
Whenever it is a raised to b, a raised to m, a raised to n, what you say? A raised to m plus n ना? By indices.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
अभी कोई बोलेगा सर आपको कैसा समझ गया 5 ही करो. तो मुझे इससे समझ गया कि मुझे 2 raised to 5 का अंदाजा है 32 है. और 32 दो बार करेंगे तो 900 के ऊपर 1000 के आसपास आएगा. So I can arrange this as 10 into 3. So 5 plus 5, 10 into 3. This is 32 into 32 raised to 3. That means it is 1024 raised to 3. ये डिफिकल्ट सम का कैटेगरी में आता है. एक दिन का बात नहीं है भाई. सम करते करते आपको सब समझ जाएगा. बट आप डरोगे तो कुछ नहीं समझेगा. लेकिन अगर मालूम है डर के आगे जीत है तो सब समझ. So 32 into 32 because 2 raised to 5 is multiple of 2225 times. This is 1024 raised to 3. But 10 का पावर में चाहिए तो ऑर्डर मिलता है. So this is like 1.024 into 10 raised to 3 so that it will become 1024. Into 10 raised to 3 raised to 3. So 1.024 first term, 10 raised to 3 raised to 3 second term. That is 1.023 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 3. Power, don't square it up. Power we multiply. Don't take 3 cube. So 3 3s are 9. Understood this much?
Yes, sir.
अभी आप मुझे बताओ ये 1.023 का क्यूब 5 से ज्यादा होएगा क्या?
No, sir.
नो. तो अपना ऑर्डर ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड बस 10 रेज टू 9 है. ज्यादा रहता तो +1 कर देता. इससे डिफिकल्ट सम नहीं आ सकता. प्लीज कॉपी. वन मोर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग आफ्टर दिस. फिर एक सिग्निफिकेंट वाला चीज करता हूँ. सिग्निफिकेंट का कुछ आया था मैं?
No, sir. Significant का एक ही क्वेश्चन आया था MCQ में.
सो दैट वाज विद जीरो रिलेटेड और राउंडिंग ऑफ?
No, it was like tell me the significant figure for 0.050.
ओके.
And
रिलेटेड टू जीरो इट वाज. ठीक है.
yes.
ठीक है.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next, sixth one. Find order of magnitude of radius of nucleus of an atom given by r equals to r0 a raised to 1 by 3, where r0 equals to 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 15. A equals to atomic mass number equal to 216. This is the question. Please copy question, then I will explain how to get order of magnitude of R. This chapter again see कुछ नहीं इसमें difficult, सबसे easy chapter है, but rules याद रखना है. Actual chapter physics का चालू होएगा third chapter से. Scalar vector is also maths. If you complete the question, please tell me. Huh?
Yes, sir. Completed.
R equals to, since R equals to R0 a raised to 1 upon 3. So R equals to 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 15. A is given 216 raised to 1 by 3. So R equals to 1.25 10 raised to minus 15. 216 matlab 6 ka cube 1 upon 3. This gets cancelled. So R equals to 6 5s are 35. 7.50 into 10 raised to minus 15 meter. So order of magnitude is equals to 10 raised to minus 15 plus 1, that means 10 raised to minus 40 meter. Okay? No doubt now?
No, sir.
Just copy.
No,
Copy, no problem. Copy.
done.
Next sum. So order of magnitude, we have completed almost everything. Now write significant figures. One question is fixed in the exams. Significant figures. Significant matlab important figures. When you give entrance examination, then you require more digit में mark या less digit में mark? Rank. मतलब आपको क्या रैंक अच्छा लगेगा? 6 डिजिट, 7 डिजिट, 8 डिजिट में, क्या 2 डिजिट में लगेगा? 1
digit, sir.
बेस्ट लगेगा अगर 1 डिजिट में रहेगा टिल 9.
Yes, sir.
प्रॉपर. बट अगर सैलरी किसी ने पूछा तो 1 डिजिट चलेगा?
No, sir.
तो अब तो
No, sir.
5 डिजिट, 6 डिजिट वाला होगा तो क्या मजा आएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
So that means depending upon circumstances, कभी कभी एक फिगर अपने लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, कभी कभी 5 फिगर इंपॉर्टेंट है, डिपेंड करता है कि आप क्या करने वाले। सपोज आई गो टू गोल्ड शॉप। Now for goldsmith or jeweler, for him important is not 1 kg 2 kg, for him important is milligram, क्योंकि उसका प्रोडक्ट कॉस्टली है। फिर उसके पास जो वेइंग बैलेंस रहेगा, इट विल हैव 2 zeros और ऐसा 3 zeros, नथिंग इज देयर तो ये डिजिटल दिखाएगा। अगर कुछ वजन डाल दिया तो ऐसा दिखाया, सपोज 10.010, मतलब 10 ग्राम एंड 01 मिलीग्राम। अब ये थोड़ा कम ज्यादा होगा तो भी चलेगा, क्योंकि मिलीग्राम कम होता है बहुत। 1 ग्राम का कॉस्ट कितना है? नियरली 60,000 10 ग्राम का। सो 1 ग्राम विल बिकम 6,000, 1 मिलीग्राम विल बिकम 6 रुपीज, तो 6 रुपए कम ज्यादा ही कैन विथस्टैंड दैट, सस्टेन दैट। लेकिन अगर 1-1 ग्राम अगर मिस्टेक किया तो 6-6 हजार का एक कस्टमर में लॉस, मतलब उसको दुकान बंद करना पड़ेगा ना।
Yes, sir.
Yes.
लेकिन वेजिटेबल वाला वो 1 मिलीग्राम 2 मिलीग्राम उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, वो 10 ग्राम ज्यादा भी दे सकता है, 50 ग्राम ज्यादा भी दे सकता है, क्योंकि उसका जो his quantities or his physical quantities or whatever is selling is not that valuable. So depending upon circumstances, 1 digit भी important है, 2 digit भी important है, 3 digit भी important है। तो significant figure मतलब figure up to which a physical quantity can be measured accurately, उसको बोलते हैं significant figure। To find significant figure, there are certain rule, one by one I am explaining you all. First, what is significant figure? 10 rule याद रखना है आपने। The digits up to which a physical quantity, the digits up to which a physical quantity can be measured accurately is called as significant, are called as significant figure. Rules to find significant figure. Rules to find significant figure. Can I clear that now?
Yes, sir. No.
Right, right. आराम से। I will not run. आराम से आप समझ के करो।
Done.
Okay. Rules to find significant figure. Now, as I said, 10 rules we have to remember. One by one we'll see all. First rule: all non-zero digits are significant. For example, 257. How many significant? 3. All are non-zero, so it is significant. All are significant. Tell me how many significant? 5262. How many significant? 4. Yes. So non-zero रहेगा तो सबको significant बोलना। The zeros, ये important है, zeros before and after non-zero is not significant. 0 before and after non-zero is not significant. Third, the zeros between non-zero are significant. Just write this three, then I'm giving you example so that zero वाला concept clear हो जाना चाहिए.
Done, sir.
Okay.
नहीं sir.
Not done. Can I clear full?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Now, based on this, some examples I'm writing to make the concept of zero non-zero क्या चीज है वो clear हो जाए. Example. $25. How many significant?
2.
Sir,
Two
2.
significant. Correct. Two significant figure. 5003. How many significant?
4.
Sir,
4.
2.
4.
4.
बीच में है ना, नॉन जीरो के
Yes, sir.
बीच में, तो 4 significant.
Yeah.
Now how many significant?
2.
2. हाँ, because before after not significant. अभी समझ गया आपको मीनिंग?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Write this three example. Fourth point, if value is in decimal, important. If value is in decimal, then 0 after non-zero are significant figures. 0 after non-zero are significant figure. 1 minute. Say example. Many times wordings you may not understand, but examples it becomes better. 0.003. These 0 are before non-zero or after non-zero?
Before non-zero.
So that means they are not significant in even if it is decimal. So we'll
Yes,
make
sir.
one significant. But if it is 3.000, now tell
4.
all zeros are after decimal, after non-zero. So 4. Tell me this one. How many significant? How many?
3, sir.
3. Because ये non-zero के बाद वाला ही देखना सर, उसके
हाँ.
पहले नहीं देखना है. So this is 3 significant. अभी किसको डाउट है ये 0 वाला?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Please copy.
Sir, in the examples you've given, the numbers are like only numbers, or can they be part of like units as well? Like
First you tell your name, then you ask.
Sir, Amir,
What am I? What you are saying?
say in any of the examples, are the number given like constant or they're like part of units, like along with them?
Okay, it can be with unit also, no problem. Like if it is
So,
3 meter, so 1 significant.
but in that C example of 0520, if it had been 0520 grams, then still it would be two significant figure.
It will be 2 significant.
But
Unit
sir,
has got nothing to do with this. Only when you are converting from one unit to another, remember significant digit should not change. Like suppose I write 2 meter as kilometer. So I can write 0.002 kilometer. So 1, both are same. This is how it is. Okay.
okay, sir.
Same was doubt or something else?
No, sir, I was just trying to understand the, but if we write 0520 in grams, that is 520 grams, but if we write a significant, it is only 52. So I was just wondering.
Meaning of that is significant means for you these 2 digits are important. ये वाला अगर 521 भी हो गया तो चलेगा मुझे. ये मीनिंग है इसका. मतलब last digit is not that important for me.
Okay, sir.
You are not writing its value. इसमें कितने डिजिट का वैल्यू मतलब इंपॉर्टेंट कितने कितने डिजिट है तो 2 इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है. आंसर में भी एनीथिंग.
Okay, sir.
आई गॉट इट व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कि 520 है लेकिन ऐसे हम ये 2 डिजिट बोल रहे हैं तो ये आंसर नहीं बोल रहे हम लोग बोल रहे हैं इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट कितने हैं. सपोज मेरे घर में 5 जन रहते हैं उसमें से खाली 2 ही इंपॉर्टेंट आदमी है तो 2 इंपॉर्टेंट बोल के ये 3 एब्सेंट नहीं हुए, तीनों भी है ऐसे. Completed?
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. Tomorrow our usual lecture, morning time, 11:15 to 12:30. This Saturday will not have evening extra class only because of Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
afternoon batch is there from 2:30 to 3:30.
When you are saying
Tomorrow.